It's Kreativekera here, back with another video. Guys, you know I'm not in my regular place and you're like, dang, she ain't got no curtains. Nope. Okay, so I know you may be a little bit confused watching this video. So back in 2020, I did a full home renovation for the first time as an interior decorator, and I started to chronicle that experience on YouTube, and then I stopped. I started doing other things on YouTube, Cricut, business, and all that kind of stuff, and I want to bring it back home to the reason why I started and continue to do the other fun stuff. But I want to show you guys this whole process and all the projects that I'll be completing in 2021 and beyond. So let's get back to the video. You kind of see behind me, things are looking a little rough. But it's because I'm working on the full home renovation. Okay, guys? I'm doing a kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, and bathroom. So, listen, I've been busy picking out finishes, running to stores, working with the contractors, and I cannot wait to show you guys like what's going on in here. Lighting, but this is the room so far. So, you come in at this door. And then here is the living room, which you can see this on my previous video. I'll link it down below, but we're more than likely going to give this a new look. We have the dining room area. You have the dining room area, and then here, that's my friend whose house it is. This is the kitchen. So this is where you're going to see the biggest change in this space. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of before, you know, see the floors are completely stripped right now. Have some ceiling issues, a few things that have to get fixed before we can start making it pretty. But this is the start of the project and more dining room. So this was previously used as like a secondary living space, but we're gonna transform it back into a dining room. So right now they've taken the whole ceiling down. That's gonna be replaced. They got the light fixture port already set up, so we're gonna be putting a new light there, which I'll show you guys. Here's just another view of the kitchen while it's being worked on. So the contractors, all they're gonna be doing is putting up new lighting, doing the flooring and painting. We're gonna take care of the cabinet. Oh, they're gonna be taking this cabinet down because we're gonna transform this space into like a little mudroom. But they're gonna be taking this cabinet down, and then if you can see, this is the light that's going to go in the dining room that I just showed you guys, and that's what was previously here. We're going to replace the client wants there was a ceiling fan in here because there's not central air. The client is wanting a ceiling fan put back in here, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I just want to give you guys an overview of what it's all looking like now, and they're going to be starting construction on Monday. And today's Sunday, so they're starting tomorrow. So we are getting can lights put in as well. So these are the rough-ins for the can lights. Gonna be putting 6 in, and this is the living room space. So we're gonna be putting 6 can lights in, and then a middle light just to add some uplighting if you don't want the cans on. Okay, so here is the vanity. So we're gonna be making some upgrades to the vanity because that comes with these like little plain silver handles. We're gonna go with white bathroom, white subway tile with black accents. So here's one of our black accents. The faucet for this vanity that I just showed you guys. And I didn't end up going with any of those pieces of wood. We ended up going with a nice, hold on, well, you can see it's it's premium vinyl, white marble. And we're gonna we went with the 12 by 4 size subway tile. So it's gonna look really awesome, and I can't wait for it to all start coming together, guys. This is a big project. It'll be done in about 3 to 4 weeks. So yeah, here's the bathroom. See, the floors are up. Got some holes and some notches. The shower, how it is currently. So this is the bedroom. Let me see what's gonna be the best angle so you can see the full shabam. Nothing in here. There was some water damage that, so we had to take everything out. But look, I just want you guys to see what we're working with and wait to these amazing ass before and after. Okay guys, as you can see, let me start at the door. So first things first, we got a new light up here, just a little upgrade. We still have to paint this stairwell and put a shade right there. So still some improvements to be made on this end. Here's a front door. So the living room, as you guys probably remember, it was green. It had like the little decals on the wall, but look at it now. It looks like a brand new freaking place. Like it looks, well, obviously that's the purpose, but it looks so beautiful. The floors still need to be sanded and re-glossed. So that's still up for this room. And there's a few things that I'm not liking with the walls that I'm gonna point out to the contractors for them to fix. But outside of that, it's looking good so far. Then we'll take you into the dining room. The floors again need to be sanded and re-glossed. And look, I mean, it's painted, the light fixture is up. This room is gonna look spectacular. We got a table going here, a bar cart, pictures. I mean, it's gonna look great. So can't wait to start getting the furniture and stuff in. As you can see here, these two cans, let's see if they're working. Nope, not yet. These two cans need to be fixed, but those are brand new can lights. As we go, I guess they were eating McDonald's. As we go into the kitchen, you see the new ceiling fan has been put in. The flooring, we had some oopsies with the flooring, so this is what we were going to be putting down, this premium vinyl. Because that's not going to work, we are having to take that back and get some different vinyl. But the light, the shades are up, so everything there is looking good. This cabinet still has to come down. They have to remove the cabinet, fix the wall behind it, and paint it. So that's a big part that's gonna make this space look way more open. So we're waiting for them to take that down. But so far, here are the updates. I mean, this is the first floor, the kitchen. We're actually gonna be taking care of the kitchen. The contractors are not doing that. So that's gonna be a whole separate video. But yeah, guys, it's coming along here. I'm really excited with how everything's going so far, and yeah, can't wait to update. Oh, let me stop playing. There's the homeowner. Hey, hi. I'm gonna take you upstairs. And like I said, this wall needs to be painted. You can see we gotta put a shade right here. Let's take you into the bathroom. So one thing is, my client bought like a light that has like music and all that kind of stuff in it. So here are the light switches. We still haven't got the door up for the closet yet, or this light replaced. They have painted the bathroom, and the shower has been grouted. The tiles have been put up, and the fixtures have been put in. So still a lot to go in the shower, still a lot to do in the bathroom. Had to put the toilet back on, so still got a ways to go here. Then the bedroom, there's nothing done in here. That's not the right blind. They put the wrong blind up, so we're gonna be fixing that. And then I still have to finish the accent wall. So still got a few things to do, but it's coming along, guys. So yeah, here's just an update for now. And after this, I'm gonna show you guys us shopping for some of the materials. Get what? Oh, I can get a tree. So we out furniture shopping for the bedroom in the clearance section because your girl likes to save money. Now, if this blended with the room, this would be coming home with us, but it doesn't. So we're moving on. We're at Value City because they got values. Ooh, look at these. Put your little snizzies. Your little snizzies. Little snizzacks. Bed set. Oh, I'm stuck over here. I'm stuck. We're looking for a side table, but I'm also looking for stuff for my apartment, so we'll see. So Lowe's had copyright music playing in the background. So instead of testing it and getting a copyright straight, I'm just going to talk you guys through. The lighting section is my favorite section in the hardware store. They have nice lights. They have a pretty good selection. They don't have the best selection, just depending on what you're looking for. But we did end up finding some good lights over here at Lowe's. And again, I could spend hours just looking at the lights and thinking like, oh, where could this go? Where could that go? But yeah, so this is just us shopping for some of the supplies and kind of give you guys an idea as an interior decorator what I go through. And look at $27. Can you really beat that for a light? No. And then I'm just going to beatbox for the rest of this. Lights. Oh, lights. Okay, guys. But yeah, this is just us shopping. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And next will be the full house walkthrough.